يا سعد أعد لي حديث ساكن سلع وشرح فقلبي.
The 2nd of Muharram marks the khatam of the complete recital of Sahih al-Bukhari by the erudite scholar Sheikh Muhammad al-Yaqubi in the Fatih neighborhood in Istanbul, one of the world's great centers of knowledge and learning throughout the centuries. The Mihrima Mosque, one of the largest and most beautiful mosques in Istanbul, was filled with spiritual life and movement. Hundreds of people attended from more than 48 countries, including scholars, imams and students, eager to acquire the valuable hadith chains of Sheikh Muhammad al-Yaqubi.
Men and women, young and old, sat every day from Fajr to Isha, listening with the highest level of adab to the words of the Prophet ﷺ. Sheikh Muhammad al-Yaqubi explained the finest points in the sciences of tafsir and hadith, theology and jurisprudence, making the difficult points clear for the students of knowledge.
حبيبتان إلى الرحمن، واختصاص ذكر الرحمن هنا يشير إلى انفراد المولى سبحانه وتعالى بالرحمة.
He taught children Hadith al-Rahmah, the first hadith given to students, so that mercy may become imprinted in their hearts.
During the recital, the most reliable and authentic copy of Sahih al-Bukhari was followed, known as the Sultan edition, printed upon the order of Sultan Abdul Hamid II and distributed over the Islamic world. A facsimile of this work of the highest quality was prepared and published by Signatura under the supervision of Sheikh Muhammad al-Yaqubi.
After 10 days of recital, more than 600 people were granted ijazah and gifted a copy of the Madkhal, a marvelous introduction to Sahih al-Bukhari, authored by Sheikh Muhammad al-Yaqubi.
سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم 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 سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم.
In the Khatam celebration party, over 8,000 people physically attended, as well as thousands of people via live stream, knowing the blessings and benefits of the Khatam of Sahih al-Bukhari where the dua is accepted.
كانت إذا نزلت نازلة بالبلاد جمع العلماء.
When a calamity befell a country, they would gather the scholars, the righteous, the pious, and the saints, and ask them to recite Sahih al-Bukhari. They would pray to Allah by the ranks of such men, for indeed they have a great standing before Allah, and Allah would relieve His Ummah. Such is your course, my brother Shaykh Muhammad. May Allah bless you. This event was a milestone for the Muslim world that drew the attention of the media, and scholars testified to its impact. It revived the tradition of public hadith recital that has been practiced throughout the history of Islam.
In a majlis like this in Baghdad, 90,000 people heard the hadiths recited directly from Imam al-Bukhari. In our time, when Imam al-Bukhari and hadiths are being questioned, we are honored to attend such a gathering. For over a century, we had been bereft of such blessings. The Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam is a fortress which protects the Muslims. What Sheikh Muhammad al-Yaqubi is doing today is to preserve that fortress.
أحمد الهادي الذي هجرته
أحمد الهادي الذي هجرته
سعيد الشرق بها والمغرب
سعيد الشرق بها والمغرب